Welcome to Sveta's menu. Today we have a quick and delicious breakfast recipe for you. For this breakfast, you'll need the following ingredients: unsweetened bread, 50 grams of cheese, 100 grams of sausage, any type, 1 tomato, half an onion, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, salt and pepper to taste, and your favorite herbs. We begin by chopping the sausage. Cut it into cubes or strips, whichever you prefer. You can use any type of sausage you like: boiled, smoked, or even hot dogs, or any other meat of your choice. Next, dice the onion. Chop the tomato into small cubes. And finally, chop the herbs. I chose dill as I think it complements this dish well. Now, in a bowl, combine all the ingredients: cheese, egg, sour cream, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well. Cut the rolls in half and place them in a baking dish. Instead of rolls, you can use any of your favorite unsweetened bread, like baguette, loaf bread, or toast. It's up to you. Generously spoon the filling onto each half, forming a little mound. Put the dish in the oven, preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. While it's baking, you can prepare some coffee or tea. After 15 minutes, you'll have a delicious breakfast ready to enjoy. Bon appétit, and see you next time!